Hi, in this session we will learn about what are OOPS concepts in Salesforce. So question number one is what is class? A class is a physical entity blueprint which contains a collection of variables, functions, procedures, properties and constructors. Okay, class are used to achieve the encapsulation feature of OOPS. So what are the key note points while creating a class? That class name should be always start with a character. Second point is class name should be single word. Third point should be we can't define two classes with the same name in the application. Okay, and the last point, as a best practice, class name should be start with capital letters. And last point is each class should be compiled and stored into metadata repository in force.com platform. Okay, so question number two is what is object? In order to assign and access the class member, we need a reference called as an object. Object is an instance of a class. Okay, what are the key points while creating an object? That we can have one or more number of objects per a class. Each object should have a unique name. We can't define two objects with the same name. Okay, guys, so each object hold the value for the class member. And last point is each object contains its own memory location. What is encapsulation? Binding or wrapping the code and data together into a single unit is called encapsulation. So it an example is provide security, that is example class. Okay, so question number four is what is polymorphism? When one task is performed by different ways, simply it's called polymorphism. Polymorphism is made up of two words, that poly per morphism, and the poly more than one forms is known as polymorphism. Okay, and second point is we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. So question number five is what is inheritance? Inheritance is when one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent objects known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism, and a class which is inherited is known as parent class, base class or superclass. Okay, a class which extends base class is known as derived or child class. So question number six is what is abstraction? Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. We use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. So what are the different levels of hiding the programming elements, variables and methods? That is, your keywords are your class like private, protected, public, global. Okay, so this is all about OOPS concept in Salesforce. So thank you guys.